How to adjust the video speed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on folder. After click on folder, click on video. After click on video, click on this edit icon. After click on this edit icon, so you will see, click on this speed icon, so you will select speed from here, so you will see, and click on 2x, and if you want to slow, click on the speed icon and click on slow, and you will see. So after the process, click on save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can adjust the video speed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.